Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. I am Ika Nurjana and today I will share my research on the effective of the problem-based learning model assisted by flat-sheet solid geometry board on student mathematical problem-solving ability. By Ika Nurjana. This study was supervised by Ibu Isani MSI MPD and Bapak Muhammad Saiful Rahman MSI from Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Let's start by looking at the background of the study. Introduction. This study was motivated by the low mathematical problem-solving ability of students, particularly on the topic of cup and cuboid. Observation at SMP Negeri 3 Brebes revealed that students face difficulty in solving mathematical problems related to three-dimensional shape. Causes: a lack of concrete learning media to support visualization and learning activities dominated by the lecture method, making students less active. Proposed solution: implementing the problem-based learning model supported by a flat-sheet solid geometry board atau berkubah to make concept concrete and promote active engagement. Research objective. Number 1, to determine the master of student mathematical problem-solving ability after being taught using the problem-based learning model assisted by the media. Number 2, to determine the improvement of student mathematical problem-solving ability after the implementation of the problem-based learning model and media. Methodology. Research type. Experimental research with a quantitative approach. Research design. One group pretest post-test design. Population: all 8th grade students of SMP Negeri 3 Brebes in the academic year 2024 or 25. Sample: Kelas 8, kelas naik F was selected as the experimental class using purposive sampling. Data collection technique, yaitu test, pretest, and post-test, and documentation. Data analysis technique, prerequisite test, yaitu normality and homogeneity test, hypothesis testing, one-tailed proportion test, paired sample t-test, and gain analysis. Result. Descriptive data. Number 1, pretest score, minimum score 25, 20, 26, maximum score 92, mean 56, blah blah blah. Number 2, pretest score, minimum score 60, maximum score 98, mean 84, blah blah. Number 3, prerequisites the result. Normality test, both pre-test and post-test data were normally distributed. Homogeneity test, the data had homogeneous variance. Result hypothesis testing. When-tailed proportion test. The mastery of student ability reached 87%, which exceeded the established classical mastery criterion of 70%. Paired sample t-test. The calculated t-value was 10 with a seek-to-tailed value of 0. Conclusion has 0 was rejected, indicating a significant improvement between pre-test and post-test score. Endgain score. The average endgain score was blah 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 category of improvement medium as per Hack criteria. Discussion. The implementation of the problem-based learning model assisted by the Brokuba board successfully improved student mathematical problem-solving ability. Number 2, role of problem-based learning model. The problem-based learning syntax provides students the opportunity to understand the problem, plan strategies, and implement solutions, aligning with POIA step. Number 3, role of Brokuba media. Help students to understand the structure of 3D shape visually and correctly. This aligns with Branner's theory regarding the inactive and iconic stage, which facilitated the transition to the symbolic stage. Number 4, these findings are consistent with previous research show that providing contextual problem can increase student activity and cognitive engagement. Conclusion. This was mastery of student mathematical problem-solving ability after being taught using the problem-based learning model assisted by the flatsheet solid geometry board Brokuba with a mastery percentage exceeding 70% according to the established criteria. Number 2, there was an improvement in student mathematical problem-solving ability following in the implementation of the problem-based learning model assisted by the flatsheet solid geometry board as indicated by statistical dash ratio and endgain score categories as medium. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.